So in the last session, we have discussed about what is Oracle, why is Oracle. So in the last session, by mistake, due to some technical problem, the session was not recorded. That's why I have given other session video to all of you. But today, I'm going to give you the overview of last session. Just it will take 10 minutes. After that, we will continue with today's session. Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing about Oracle demo. What is Oracle? Oracle is a database. It is also known as Rdbms. Rdbms full form is Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System. What is the use of Oracle? Oracle is useful to store data and to manage the data. Manage or process, anything is right. Rdbms is useful to store data and to process the data. First target is storing data. Once data storage completed or once some data is stored, then you can process your data according to your business requirement. How it is, how the data will be stored, how the data will be generated, that I will explain. Before that, what are the examples of Rdbms? From different companies, we have different Rdbms softwares are there. From different companies, we have different Rdbms softwares. That is Oracle Rdbms from Oracle company. SQL Server from Microsoft. DB2 from IBM. Like this, different Rdbmss are available from different companies. According to your business requirement, you can use any one Rdbms. So now I want to explain where is the data. What is the basic purpose of database? Store data. If data is there, then I can store data. Where is the data? Generally, data is always generated from business. Data is always generated from business. What is business? Business is a collection of objects. If you take any business, let me take a simple business, bank. In the bank, employees are there, departments are there, and the banking people or banking business providing service. They are offering some services. To whom they are offering? To the customers. If you take any business, the business has collection of objects. What are the objects or entities? That is nothing but employees, departments, services or products. See, according to bank, I am saying services. Suppose according to Amazon, Amazon is also one business, right? What is the target of Amazon? Selling products, right? So if you come to Amazon business, the business is also having products. If you are coming to banking business, the bank is offering some services to the customers. So services or products, that depends on type of business. Okay. Business is a collection of objects or entities. In the business, we have employees, departments, products, and customers, and also transactions, From each object, the data will be generated. From each object, the data will be generated. How it is? If I take any one employee, employee ID, employee name, salary, designation, join date, department name. This is one employee information. If there are 100 employees, then 100 lines of data is there. If there are 1,000 employees, 1,000 lines of data related to employees. Similarly, if I take any one product, if we consider any one product code, product name, product price, warranty, specifications, description, company name, the product was made in which country. This is the information related to one product. If I consider Amazon, assume that how many number of products are there. For each product, they should maintain information related to product. So all products information, all employees information, all departments information, and all customers and transaction information is saved into database here. The data is saved into database. So what is database? Database is a software. Database server is a software. It is a storage area. In this area, it is a software to store your business information. In this, we can store business information. I hope you understand what is business information. From where business information is generating? From the entities or objects the information is generating, that is saved into database server. Okay. Now how this data is useful to the common people, to the business people. Again, I'm repeating, how the information is useful to the common people or business people. Remember one simple example. Suppose this is a banking database server. They are maintaining all customers' transactions also. One customer is making a complaint. I found some false transaction. Then immediately the banking employee verify your transactions and they will give you the proper information, whether it is a false transaction or a right transaction. How they can verify? If the banking people maintain all necessary information, then only they can review your complaint. If they are not maintaining information, they are unable to give the answer to the customer. That's why for future reference, we should maintain the data. Compulsory, any business, it should maintain data. Okay, now this is your database server. Remember guys, this is your database server. Okay, now how it is useful to the common people or public? See here, Suppose as a customer, I want to buy a mobile. So I am in my home. So how to buy a mobile? Let us assume, guys, how to buy a mobile. Just I want to explain. Suppose if there is no internet facility and we don't have web pages and all these things, I don't know what about all these technical aspects. So the person wants to buy a mobile. What is the option he has? The person has to find out the nearby mobile store. He should go to the store and he has to request about a particular model. If it is available in the store, if person is interested, he can buy. That is only option if there is no online facility. Directly, the person has to go to the store, mobile store. Okay. Present, we have online facility. So from your home, you can do anything. Means you are able to purchase any item. So as a person, you are in your home and just you are clicking on something like Amazon or Flipkart or so many online business or online sales businesses. Open the web page, select mobiles option and search for a model. I want to search for a model. I have selected one model. Then if I select a model, then the information, my request is passed to web server. From web server, my request is passed to database server. From web server, my request is passed to database server. In the database server, only one mobile model is there or so many number of models, so many products in the database server. Millions and trillions of products in the database server. So who will find my model? I am requesting for one model. Who will find out my model? Somebody is finding. See, the database program is finding your searching model. One database program is ready to search your model. Once the program finds out the model, that mobile model information passes to web server. From web server, the information is passed to web page. This is called as web page. This is called as web server. This is called as database server. Three components. So simply in the mobile, we are searching so many types of informations. But in the backend, this is the scenario. In the backend, from your mobile application, the request passes to web server. And from web server, the request passes to database server. In the database server, the database program getting your information. That is nothing but output of the program. That output passes to web server, from the web server to your mobile application or desktop application. This is what happening in the beyond your search, beyond your transaction. Let us see. My question is, who is writing these programs? Who is writing database programs? The database programs are written by database developers. And the database programs written by using SQL and PLSQL statements. The database developers are writing the programs. What is the purpose of a program? According to my request, program is searching for the mobile information. Suppose some person is paying bill. One customer is paying bill. Then according to customer request, another program will do the bill operation. If I am searching for any model, one program is searching the information. So based on business requirement, the database programs have to be responding. Who will write these programs? The programs written by database developers. How to write a program? By using SQL queries and also by using PLSQL programs. What is the purpose of each program? Each program is useful to perform any one business task. Understand, guys? So this is the information about database. Suppose, sir, if database is absent completely, we don't have database server concept, what will happen? Can you do anything in online without a database server? Or can you get any information in online? Before doing something, I have to know some information. Suppose I want to pay some electricity bill. Okay, so before doing that process, I have to check my bill. You are unable to do anything in online. If you want to do some tasks, we need the backend database server. This is what we have discussed in the last session. Today we are discussing about what type of Rdbmss, how many types of Rdbmss under database server, under a project. In the backend, in any project, in the backend we can see two types of database servers. For any project, in the backend we can see two types of Rdbmss. What are they? One is OLTP, another one is OLAP. Let us assume this is your business. In the business, generally we have branches, branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. Under each branch, some transactions are going on. So for every branch, we should maintain a database server. So for the first branch, one database server. For second branch, another database server. For third branch, other database server. Okay. If anybody making a transaction, the transactional information stored under corresponding database servers. Every minute, every second, if something happening in the branch, that is recorded in the backend database server. Okay, but beyond means behind the database servers, we have another database is also there. That is called as data warehouse. Actually, if you make any transaction in the branch that were saved under backend databases, these databases are called as OLTP Rdbms. OLTP Rdbms softwares. What is OLTP? Online Transaction Processing Rdbms. Online Transaction Processing Rdbms. See, what is online transaction processing? It has only daily data, everyday data, day-to-day data, transactional data. What it contains? It contains everyday data, transactional data, daily data, if anything is same. Understand, guys? Okay. Now, in case, see, every day you are storing data here. If every day you are storing data at one place, what will happen after some time? The data size is big. Day by day, the data size is very large. If size is small, you can search data as much as fast. You can do anything as much as fast if the size is small. If the data size is becoming very large, then to search data, it will take long time. If it is taking long time, the performance will be decreased. The performance will be decreased. So what they will do, the business people has to maintain limited data under OLTP databases. They should maintain limited data under OLTP databases. Okay, sir, how to consider limited data? Listen carefully, guys. Commonly, the business people maintain limited data under OLTP. Limited data means 3 months data they are maintaining here. 3 months data is known as 1 quarter. What is that? 1 quarter. According to Indian business scenario, Indian financial business period is first quarter, April, May, June. Second quarter, July, August, September. Third quarter, October, November, December. Fourth quarter, January, February, March. Understand? So for the year, 4 quarters are there. Generally, they are maintaining only 3 months business period data under OLTP. Actually, this is September. September means second quarter. Already first quarter completed in the year 2020. Then where is the first quarter data? April, May, June. Right? At the end of June, first quarter completed. Where is that data? Is it erased? Not erased. The first quarter completed. Once it was completed, the data will be loaded into data warehouse. Once a business period, what is the business period? Quarter. Once a business period was completed, the data is loaded into data warehouse. Okay, and here present second quarter data is running here. Second quarter data is saving here. Once second quarter is also completed, then second quarter data is also loaded into data warehouse. Then after second quarter, third quarter data will be existing here. So always under OLTP database, only current business period data is to be maintained. Only current business period data should be maintained under OLTP. But what about OLAP? Data warehouse. It is also a database. Under this database, we are maintaining completed business period data. Completed business period data. See, this data warehouse is known as OLAP Rdbms, Online Analytical Processing Database. Right? And remember one more point, guys. OLAP is maintaining old business period data. OLTP is maintaining current business period data. These are OLTP and this is OLAP. And the loading of data from here to here, the loading of data from OLTP to OLAP, that process is called as ETL process. The process is known as ETL process. Don't miss this. ETL means extraction, transformation, loading. Extraction, transformation, loading. I hope you understand, guys. Okay, from the data warehouse, generally reports will be generated. These reports are useful to analyze your business. Period by means quarter 1 to quarter 2. Period by period, our business is successfully growing or not. For such kind of analysis purpose, they are using reports. That reports are generated by using reporting tools. The reports are generated by using reporting tools. Some of the reporting tools, this is Oracle reporting tool, OBIEE, SAP reporting tool, IBM reporting tool, Microsoft reporting tool, SSRS, SQL Server reporting services. Different companies, from different companies, we have different reporting tools. So just I want to finish the diagram. That's why I explained about reportings. But what is our important point is how many types of databases in any project? 2 types, OLTP and OLAP. Remember, OLTP database contains current business period data. Today you are withdrawing money. It's a transaction. So the transactional data saved here. But after some days, I want to take banking statement of my last year. Last year data means already loaded into data warehouse. You can take it from here. Right? Now, what is the database we are learning here? You are learning about OLTP database development. OLTP database development. Remember, now come to our explanation. See, just now I explained what is OLTP and OLAP. In our database development, we are learning about OLTP Rdbms development. What is the history of Oracle? History of Oracle is nothing but versions. At what time company was started, and what is the first version, successful version, what is the latest version, what are the benefits. See, Oracle company was first started in 1977. The name of the company at that time, the name of the company is Relational Software Incorporation. In 1979, this name was changed as Oracle Corporation. And in 1986, they released the first successful version, that is Oracle 7. Oracle 7. And later they released Oracle 8. But these two versions not supporting online database operations. These two versions are not supporting online database operations. Later, they released Oracle 8i. What is I? I stands for Internet Applications. Internet applications means web pages. Through web page, we can do some transactions, some search operations. Means it is supporting online data processing activities. Online data processing activities or transactions. After 8i, we have 9i. 9i is also supporting online data processing, and also it has some special tools to support ERP development. Oracle 9i has special tools to support ERP development. And from Oracle 9i, we have so many new concepts are there. Materialized view, and sequences concept, and in PLSQL, ref cursor concept. Those concepts were introduced from Oracle 9i. Next one, Oracle 10G. What is 10G? G stands for grid technology. Grid technology means it's like all servers, all database servers connected to one grid system. All database servers are connected to one grid system. That system is known as a grid, which is maintaining all other servers. Let me give you the diagram. What is 10G? Say, suppose you have a business. The business has multiple branches. Understand it properly, because the next concept means after this we are discussing 12C, right? Then it is very important between what is the difference between grid database and cloud database. Let us assume you have a business. In the business you have 3 branches. You have 3 branches. Every branch getting some information. So you are maintaining 3 database servers. 3 database servers. This is the server 1, server 2, and this is the server 3. 3 database servers. All these 3 database servers, connected to one grid system. Grid is also a database server. But what is the use of grid? Grid is useful to control your database server operations, to monitor your all servers from one place, to monitor your all servers from one place. And grid is monitoring all these servers, and it will provide communication between server to server. Let us see. All of the sudden, if any server was down, I don't know what was happened. Server was down. Then business is not stopping entity. Always business is a live entity. Data is generating continuously, right? But all of the sudden, it is unable to receive any data. It is unable to provide any data. Temporarily, grid will act as server 3. Temporarily, grid is acting as a server 3. Once server 3 is ready, then server 3 is coming into life. So it's working as a backup, and it is providing communication between one server to another server. And it is controlling activities of servers. It is also monitoring all the servers from one place. That is the benefit of grid. So you can use Oracle as a grid database from this version. You can set up Oracle 10G as a grid database server to monitor your branch level database servers. Next one is 11G. What is 11G? 10G grid database. 11G is also grid database. 11G is also grid database. What is the difference between 10G and 11G? There is a very, very important difference is there. Listen carefully. Just now we discussed how many types of Rdbms softwares. How many types of Rdbmss in the project? We have 2 types of Rdbmss. Up to Oracle 10G. Up to Oracle 10G, the Oracle database is supporting only OLTP activities. Only you have to use up to 10G. Up to 10G, you should set up Oracle as a grid database. Sorry, you can set up Oracle as a OLTP database only up to 10G. But 11G database is supporting OLTP and also supporting OLAP development. 11G database is supporting both OLTP and also OLAP. Why? Because internally 11G software is having a tool, Oracle Warehouse Builder. What is the tool? Inbuilt Oracle Warehouse Builder tool is there. Normal Oracle is useful to develop OLTP. With this special tool, you can develop OLAP applications also. That's why you can set up your Oracle 11G as OLTP and also as OLAP. This is about Oracle 11G. Later, we have the latest version is Oracle 19C latest, but latest database type is cloud database. I for internet based, G for grid, C for cloud. What is Oracle 12C? It's a cloud database. Sir, what is the use of cloud? Yesterday I had explained you can work with Oracle Cloud directly. If you register with Oracle company, then you can work with Oracle Cloud without installing the database in your personal system. That facility not available in the previous versions. And first, let me explain what is Oracle 12c. It is a cloud database, and it is called as a multi-tenant database. We have so many advantages. You can reduce the cost of the maintenance. Sharing of technology and data is easy. Changes are dynamic. Changes are dynamic. So let me show you how it looked like. I want to open a diagram here, or otherwise I can draw this first. All of you guys, this is your Oracle 12c. This is your Oracle 12c. Okay, it's a big database, big storage area it has. So just I'm purchasing 12c, and I can maintain the small databases. Actually, this much of size I don't need for a single branch. This much of size I don't need for a single branch. So what should I do? Simple example. Suppose if you want to set up office, you have taken a big building. To set up your office, you are taking a big building. Then what you will do? You don't set up all the department at one floor. Say, this is a database for one branch, another database for second branch, and this is the database for fourth branch. So you can set up branch level databases. You can maintain branch level databases inside one big database. This facility is possible in case of Oracle 12c. Here, don't stick to only 12c. 12c or 18c or 19c. This database is called as a CDB, container database or common database. I will explain the each and every point, don't worry. The small databases are known as PDB. Hold on, Satya. I think somebody is asking one question. Hold on, guys. C is a cloud database. C stands for cloud technology. 12C, cloud technology. 18C, cloud technology. 19C, it is also cloud technology. The underlying technology under each version is cloud technology. PDB4. Listen, guys, you have a business. The business has 4 branches. Suppose 400 branches. I am talking about 400 branches. Before cloud database, don't think about cloud. Come to here. Before cloud, how many servers you have to purchase? 400 servers. For every branch, you have to purchase one server. And think about the maintenance of these 400 servers. It's very, very difficult. Monitoring of 400 servers means you need more manpower. Okay, how can I simplify it? Instead of maintaining 400 servers, just I'm maintaining one server. One big server. In this big server, reserve some space for first branch. reserve some space for second branch, reserve some space for third branch, like that, reserve some space for 400 branch. Understand all of you guys? According to cloud technology, how many database servers you are maintaining? Only one database server. It is ready to store all your 400 branches data at one place. If you observe carefully, your cloud database is working as OLTP and OLAP also. This place is called as data warehouse. This place is known as a OLAP. Here, these are called as OLTP databases. So these databases for everyday purpose, and this area is for historical data. So PDB stands for pluggable database. PDB stands for pluggable database. Pluggable database means each database dedicated to one business branch. Each database dedicated to one business branch. So these are called as, hold on, sorry. Yeah, these are connected to business applications or business branches. Each and every server is connected to one business branch. Here, all branch level databases monitored from one place. It is easy to maintain. Instead of purchasing 400 servers, I purchased only one server. Cost is reducing. And you can see more levels of security. Here is one level of security. At the main entrance, you have a security level. Once you enter into the main gate, before entering into a specific building, another level security is there. If it is a gated community area, you have multiple levels of securities. Just think about, this is independent houses, this is a gated community area. Of course, to listen it is a silly thing, but it is real. Practically, to understand easily, that is the best scenario suitable for the explanation. In the gated community area, you can see multi-levels of security checks. But for the independent house, there is only one security person. Once you've got multiple levels of security checks completed, then you can connect it as a developer. Here, the developers are working. And this is called as CDB admin. And this is called as PDB admin. CDB stands for common database or container database, whereas PDB stands for pluggable database. What are the benefits? Cost is reducing, changes are dynamic, multi-levels of security, communication is fast, maintenance is easy. 5 points I have given. Cost is reducing because you are purchasing only one server. Multi-levels of security. Here is one level, here is one level. Communication is fast. From one local database to another local database, communication is fast. Why? All databases are available at the same place. So communication is fast. If I make any changes here in the gated community, if there is a common playground, that is available to all families in the gated community, anybody can access that area. That is, changes are dynamic. Maintenance is easy because all the servers are available at one place. The maintenance of the database server is easy. That is the benefit of cloud database. This is the diagram I am explaining, and just see the diagram released by Oracle Press. The diagram released by Oracle Press. See, if you see the diagram, then it is easy to understand. You can compare my diagram also, no problem. This is the diagram I have given to you. I hope it is look like whatever the diagram I have explained to you. So CDB stands for Common Database or Cloud Database. And here we have pluggable databases. Each pluggable database is a OLTP for the specific branch. And we have two levels of security, CDB admin, PDB admin. These are local users known as developers. And see, these databases are connected to applications. You can see here. Each and every database is connected to business applications. The benefits, the first benefit is cost is reducing, easy of maintenance of your data and transforming data from one place to another place. See, easier management and monitoring of physical database. If you make any changes here, the change is immediately available to all local databases. Understand, guys? So this is about cloud database. So in the cloud database, we have so many benefits. Without having local resources, without installing the database in your system, you can work with the database by connecting to the cloud provided by Oracle company. And later, Oracle 18C, this is known as Autonomous Cloud Database. 19C is also Autonomous Cloud Database. What is the difference between cloud database and autonomous cloud database? What is the difference? Listen, let me give you one outside example. Suppose bank is there. The bank is having ATMs. In your city, at different locations, ATM machines are there related to same bank. So many ATM machines. The ATM machines maintenance seen by the same bank or any other people. The maintenance of the ATM machines seen by same bank or any other people. Just think, it's a sensitive information. Think once and try to give the answer. Who is seeing the maintenance of the ATM machines of the bank? Bank or others? Third party people. Exactly, Mahesh. One of the famous third party business is CMS. The maintenance is nothing but loading cash, unloading cash. If there is any repair for the machine, they will send the technical people to resolve the problem. Means the maintenance of the machines are taken by the third party people. That is cloud database. I have a business. As a businessman, I want to maintain my business data. To maintain my business data, I can purchase some cloud storage from Oracle company. Listen carefully. I am a businessman. I want to maintain my business data. To maintain my business data, I can purchase some cloud storage area from Oracle company. So my business information storing in the cloud, but maintenance of the cloud seen by whom? Oracle company only. That is cloud database. What is autonomous cloud database? Autonomous cloud means I can purchase cloud from Oracle company, but maintenance of my cloud area, that is also done my business only. Means maintenance and purchase both will be done at my side only. I'm not depending on third party people. That is called as autonomous cloud database. Storage and maintenance seen by the same business person. That is possible only for the very large scale businesses only. For all medium and small scale businesses people, they will purchase cloud from Oracle and the maintenance given to Oracle company only. And our latest version is Oracle 19C. In this, we are discussing about both SQL and PLSQL. By using, already we discussed it in the first diagram, by using SQL and PLSQL as a database developer, we are able to write programs. We can write programs by using SQL and also by using PLSQL. So the target of our training is to become as a database developer. As a database developer, you can write programs and queries. You can write queries by using SQL. We can write programs by using PLSQL. And we are learning about OLTP Rdbms, online transaction processing Rdbms development. Already I sent the course content to all your mail IDs. And today again, I will collect your mail IDs from the GoToMeeting and I will send the course content and whatever the document we discussed today. And you are able to access the video from today onwards. Already our session is recording. Here our session is recording. Once the recording was converted properly, I will upload into my drive so that you can access today's session video. Yesterday I told you the duration of the course is 45 days and you will get the video access of your classes. From yesterday, you will get the video access up to next 6 months. So this is about the end of the session for today. The end of the session for today. Tomorrow, I'm going to start SQL. Tomorrow, I'm going to start SQL part. That's all for today. Thank you all of you. See you tomorrow.